Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can unblock someone in Reddit. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Reddit, then just go left top corner to your profile, and now you're gonna see my profile here, but you want to go to settings, right? Now here you want to go with the account settings for you, and now you're gonna see manage blocked accounts. Click it. And then you're gonna see all the blocked accounts that you got, and you want to just simply click here on unblock, right? And voila, he's unblocked, but he's still going to be here. So what you can do is like block it again, like straight away when you like accidentally blocked it for the moment, you can like block it if you want to. So this is how you can unblock accounts in Reddit. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any like questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.